These machines ensure precise cuts and minimize waste. Automated inspection systems scan the sheets for any defects or inconsistencies. The Federal Reserve knows where the dollar is at all times.
Today we're going to show you how money is printed.
U.S. currency is made from a unique blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen.
The pulp is then fed into a specialized paper-making machine.
These sheets are specifically designed for currency production, with security features already embedded within them. Tiny red and blue synthetic fibers are randomly distributed throughout the paper. These are visible to the naked eye and are a key security feature. The watermark portrait of Benjamin Franklin is embedded within the paper during production, not printed on later. The 3D security ribbon is actually woven into the paper during the paper-making process. This is visible from both sides when held up to the light. The ribbon is positioned vertically to the right of Benjamin Franklin's portrait.
It features images of bells and 100 that appear to move and change when the bill is tilted.
The newly formed paper sheets are carefully dried and inspected for any imperfections. Only those meeting
to incorporate features that deter counterfeiting and make the bill easily identifiable as genuine.
Throughout the design phase, security is paramount. The artists work closely with engraving and security experts.
Once the design is finalized, highly skilled engravers take over. They meticulously translate the two-dimensional artwork into three-dimensional engravings on steel dies. The master die is used to create multiple hubs through a process called hubbing. These hubs are essentially copies of the master die. The printing plates undergo a series of finishing processes, including polishing and hardening, to ensure they can withstand the rigors of high-speed printing. The hubs are then used to create the actual printing plates. This allows for mass production of the bills without wearing down the original engraving. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing uses massive, custom-built Intaglio presses. The printing plates are inked with a specialized durable ink that is formulated to last for years.
That exert tremendous pressure to transfer the ink from the recessed engravings.
To transfer the ink from the recessed engravings on the printing plates.
Each bill is assigned a unique serial number using high-speed numbering machines.
To transfer the ink from the recessed engravings on the printing plates to the paper. The Federal Reserve seal, Treasury seal, and series year are overprinted onto the bill using a separate printing process. These numbers help track the bill's circulation and aid in counterfeit detection. These elements add further security and identification to the currency.
Trained personnel also visually inspect the printed sheets and finished bills, checking for any imperfections. Initial human sheet inspection. Once the printing is complete, the large sheets are cut into individual bills using high-speed cutting machines.
These machines ensure precise cuts and minimize waste. Automated inspection systems scan the sheets for any defects or inconsistencies. These systems use cameras and sensors to detect even the slightest deviations from the strict standards.
and then packaged for distribution to Federal Reserve banks across the country.
And then packaged for distribution to Federal Reserve banks across the country.
The Federal Reserve banks then distribute the new currency to commercial banks,
where it eventually makes its way into the hands of the public.
Now, what about the euro?
Unlike the dollar's cotton linen blend, the euro is made from 100% cotton fiber. This gives it a distinctive crispness and durability. Crucial for a currency that changes hands frequently. During sheet formation, a watermark of the European gate and the numeral 100 is embedded into the paper.
A silver security thread is also embedded into the paper. It features the euro symbol and the numeral 100 in tiny microprint.
This watermark is visible when held against the light.
And it glows pink under ultraviolet light. The paper sheets are carefully dried and inspected for any imperfections. Only flawless sheets proceed to the printing stage.
Now we enter the fortress of banknote production, a place shrouded in secrecy and precision.
The first stage involves offset printing, which applies the base colors and some initial security features to both sides of the banknote.
This includes the main image of the European architectural style Baroque and Rococo for the 100 euros, and the background patterns.
Every step here is designed to deter counterfeiting and maintain the integrity of the euro. Silk screen printing is employed to add the shimmering emerald number, a key security feature.
A holographic foil stripe is applied to the right side of the banknote.
To add the shimmering emerald number.
A key security feature that changes color when the note is tilted.
Giving the banknote its distinctive feel.
The portrait of Europa from Greek mythology, the numeral 100, and other key design elements are printed using Intaglio.
Highly specialized printing presses, separate from the ones used for the main design, are employed for serial numbering.
These machines utilize advanced inkjet technology to print unique serial numbers onto each banknote with incredible speed and precision.
All of which change appearance when the note is tilted.
All of which change appearance when the note is tilted. The serial numbers consist of a combination of letters and numbers, creating a vast array of unique identifiers.
This helps track the banknotes throughout their lifespan and aids in counterfeit detection.
The numbering machines print the serial numbers in sequential order, ensuring that no two banknotes have the same identifier.
The printed banknotes undergo rigorous inspection, both automated and manual. Sophisticated machines.
Trained experts conduct visual checks to ensure every note is flawless.
The European Central Bank (ECB) maintains stringent quality control standards to guarantee the integrity and uniformity of all euro banknotes,
regardless of where they are printed.
Now that our banknotes have their unique identities and have passed rigorous quality checks, it's time for them to be prepared for their journey into the world.
Giant guillotine-like cutters equipped with laser-guided precision sliced through the large sheets of banknotes, separating them into individual notes.
These machines ensure clean, accurate cuts, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. The freshly cut banknotes are automatically stacked and counted by sophisticated machines.
ensuring that each bundle contains the correct number of notes.
The wrapped bundles are carefully placed into sturdy boxes designed to withstand rough handling.
These banded stacks are then wrapped in protective plastic film to shield them from moisture and damage during transport,
And ensure the banknotes remain pristine. Each box is clearly labeled with its contents, including the denomination, quantity, and destination.
Throughout the cutting and packaging process, strict security measures are in place to prevent theft, tampering. Surveillance cameras monitor every stage.
And access to the area is tightly controlled.
Now that our banknotes have their unique identities and have passed rigorous quality checks, it's time for them to be prepared for their journey into the world.
From the heart of the Eurozone, these new notes will embark on their global journey.
But for every measure of defense, there is a threat. Counterfeiting is a multi-billion-dollar problem that seeks to undermine the integrity of global finance.
It's an endless technological arms race. Central banks must continually integrate new, complex features to stay.
Despite their durability, banknotes have a finite lifespan. Exposed to the rigors of commerce, they accumulate wear and tear. When a note is deemed too worn or damaged, it is returned to the central bank for inspection and authentication. High-speed sorters rapidly count, authenticate, and inspect the notes, rejecting any that are unfit for continued circulation or identified as potential counterfeits. The unfit currency is then rendered useless through destruction. This is done to prevent their reintroduction into circulation and maintain the money supply integrity. The resulting shredded currency is often recycled, finding a new life in industrial materials, completing the currency's cycle.
From raw cotton to the secured vault, every single banknote in your wallet represents a vast, unseen network of technology.
Ultimately, the first line of defense is the public. Feel the raised print. Look for the watermark.
Central banks invest astronomical sums annually, not just in printing, but in staying ahead of forgery, ensuring that the currency remains the same.
The precision and secrecy of this process are what guarantee the enduring global trust in both the US dollar and the euro.
The money you hold in your hands is more than just paper. It is a fortress of technology, trust, and human.
The money that drives the global economy is not merely paper, but a testament to relentless vigilance, unmatched precision,